Welcome to CBSE tuition students. As you all know, we are doing the chapter cell. In earlier videos, we have covered cell theory, cell wall, the structure of cell wall. Now today we will be doing cell membrane or plasma membrane. In further classes, we will be doing cell organelles, individual video for individual topic. Okay. So without wasting time, let's start cell membrane or plasma membrane. This is the outermost covering of cell. Basically, it is the outermost covering. Okay, it is the outermost. What is it? It is the outermost covering of the cell. This is cell and outermost covering. Okay, separating the content of the cell from its external environment. Okay, just act like our skin of our body. Okay, plasma membrane is made up of lipid. Cell membrane or plasma membrane, we can say anything. So it is made up of lipids. Basically, it is made up of lipid. Major content is phospholipid and proteins. Okay, so plasma membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipid. Okay, next, structurally it is thin, flexible and semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means selectively permeable. Okay, it is thin, flexible, okay, and semi-permeable membrane. The cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell. The cytoplasm, remember cytoplasm? Okay, good. The cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. Okay, animal cell, plant cell, prokaryotic cell and fungal cells all have cell membrane. Okay, animal cell, plant cell, prokaryotic cells and fungal cells, they all possess plasma membrane except the viruses. Viruses don't follow the what we have done in earlier classes. Viruses don't follow cell theory, and viruses are devoid of cell membrane. They don't possess cell membrane. Okay, so this is the point you should keep in mind. Viruses devoid of the cell membrane. Other than that, animal cells, plant cells, prokaryotic cells and fungal cells all have cells membrane. Okay, so now we will go for the functions of cell membrane. Its major function is to maintain shape of the cell by providing support to it. Okay, it is the outermost layer, that's why it controls the shape of the cell. Okay, next, it protects the interior components of the cell by selectively allowing the movement of certain substance in and out of the cell. Yes, earlier we have seen it is a what? It is a semi-permeable. Remember, it is a semi-permeable. So semi-permeable means it can let in some amount of substances and let out certain amount of substances, and the substances are ions. What ions? Organic molecules. Okay, this function is regulated. Okay, this function is regulated by selectively permeable natures of the membrane. Okay, this is another function of the plasma membrane. Another one, the flexible nature of the cell membrane allows the cell to engulf food and other substances from the surrounding environment, and this process of intake is known as endocytosis. Okay, in this point what we have seen, the flexible nature of the cell membrane allows the cell to engulf food and other substance from the surrounding environment. As it is what it is, semi-permeable, it will engulf the food from the surrounding environment. Okay, and this process is known as endocytosis, and example is amoeba, and amoeba is a what? Unicellular or multicellular? Multicellular. So no, it is a unicellular organism, amoeba. We have done this in earlier classes. Okay, so next point, it also serves as a base for the attachment of cytoskeleton in some organism and the cell wall in others. This point you this point is not so important for you, okay, but I will say that it serves as the base for the attachment of cytoskeleton in some organism and the cell wall in others. Means what it will do, it is the base, it serves as a base, it is the base, means cell membrane act as a base for the attachment of cytoskeleton, okay, in some organism, certain organism, okay. And the last point is it performs various other functions in a cell such as cell adhesion, ion conductivity and cell signaling, okay. What is adhesion? You have seen adhesive and some ads, like ads of glue company, they say adhesive properties, right? What is adhesion? Okay, you will be commenting down below what is adhesion or adhesive properties. So it performs various other functions of cells such as cell adhesion, ion conductivity and cell signaling, okay. So these are the few functions of cell membrane. I think this is sufficient for your academic, okay. So in next video we will be doing nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleus in a single video, okay. After that we will be covering chromosomes, okay, other organelles of the cell, okay. So do subscribe the channel, share the contents of the channel to your friends as well as the aspirant students, so that they also acquire the knowledge, okay. And do subscribe the channel, like the channel. Thank you.